What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to an update on Compound, or the Comp token, which I covered a couple of days ago. I'm not sure when, not going to look it up either. And then it got requested for an update, which I think is needed too. It's up 18%, volume was great at 125 million. I think it's a great project. There's still a lot of value locked within Compound, so I think that's great too. That's always a good sign for cryptos. I think Compound is a great long-term hold, but I should disclose that I hold it too. So if you think that makes me unreliable and biased, there's definitely a valid argument for that, right? But it's I always try not to be. So what we've seen with Compound is actually what we've seen throughout the crypto market for a lot of other cryptos actually. Just a massive, sort of like a bull run, starting the 18th of June. So for the last 7 days, we've only gone up, which I didn't expect. My last analysis was wrong. There I thought we would find resistance at this level and then drop down, which we did drop down, but I expected us to drop down more. But we broke out of that yesterday, I think, or today. Yeah, kind of today. We broke out of that level between $45 and $46, and now we're in the middle of 46 and 56. So what I wanted to do in this analysis is kind of explore what I think is going to happen next, but mostly see what's the next price target. So we found resistance at this 200 EMA the last 3 minutes, because that's when the candle closed. But I do think we can get higher. So either off of a break retest off of 46, 45, or just from where we are right now. I think the first major resistance level is the support level of May. And that's this level right here between $54 and $56. And I think we're going to get tested there. I think we are going to reject pretty hard off of that level, and that we're going to break through that trend line. But then the positive thing is, and I wanted to talk about that first, which I don't think is the most likely scenario, but I could be wrong again, of course. But if from that rejection off of $55 and around that level, we can actually stay above $45, if Compound is strong enough for that, I think we can also break that. And as soon as we break above $55, the next resistance level really is this level between $62 and $64, which would be an amazing gain. And like this, it seems like it will take a long time. We could also just consolidate for like 2 days on top of $45 and then break through it. But the main thing is, if Compound is able to stay above $45, what that means is that it's strong enough to keep up those levels, that there's enough buyer power to actually keep those levels. And I think that also means that we have enough buyer power to break through $55. If we are able to stay above $45, of course, because I think it is more likely, but I'm heavily biased because of the bear market, that will get to that level, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, maybe in 2 days. But then afterwards that will drop down to $45, that it holds, but that in like 1 day we'll break through it. And when we break down below $45, it's over. That means that Compound isn't that strong anymore. We'll probably drop down to that $30, $37, $36 level and consolidate on top of that, which isn't too bad compared to a week ago. But that would mean the end of this nice strong uptrend we had with Compound. So I think something like this is a little bit more likely, but you should know that due to the bear market, sometimes I've become too bearish, right? So really keep that bullish scenario in your mind as well. I think that's possible, but for me, this is just what I'm leaning towards. So yeah, that's basically my analysis on Compound. If you did find it valuable, or you liked the video, please consider liking and subscribing. It helps me out a lot. But for now, if you do have any questions, please let me know down in the comments as well. I'll always answer those. And yeah, thank you for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.